Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode what a Bodging, I'm going to take a look at what's been going on in June. In last month's video you might have seen that I was toying with the idea of entering Poor Boys RC speedrun challenge. Yeah, so I ended up getting this. It was totally standard. I've just changed the speed controller out for a 1060. Changed out the 380 for a 540. Put some bearings in it. Put a wheelie bar on it. And of course we've got the speedo on there as well. Now I'm not going to tell you what I got in there. If you want to find out, go and have a look at the video. There'll be a link to the speedrun. See what I got. And we're going to see how we can improve it. I've spent the month collecting random bits for it as well, but we'll get to them. I also got my TTO2B back up and running, so we've got a speed controller back in that now. And we took that out for a spin, along with the grasshopper. And off the back of that running video, I've now got another job to do, which is make another TTO2B, but custom. These are the colours I've gone for, but I can't reveal any more than that until he's had it, and then the build video can come out. But yeah, that's what we're going with. We also managed to get another project done, which was to basically make a rally chassis. So we've got a TTO1 with a lot more ground clearance. So I measured it, that has now got the same ground clearance as my TTO2B. So we got custom shock towers, because this was made out of spares. So the chassis is going to replace what was the FFO2 chassis that this body was running on, which definitely well used. So I'm looking forward to taking that out for a run, finishing the video on that one. So last month you might have seen my offset tool. So you could adjust the offset to 3, 6 or 9mm, bolt it on the car, see how your wheels are going to look. Change your design. So now you can bolt the faceplate onto the car. You can then spin it around, take it off, try a different offset, put it back on, lock it in place and see how it looks. You haven't got to unbolt it every time. So that's the new design for that. Speaking of wheels, as always, I've been printing. Right now I get some requests for different wheels, which is where that tool is handy, because they can work out exactly what offsets they need, and I can then carry on and make the wheels. So one of the ones I've done this month was a Ford Cloverleaf, as I call them, and these can be done in whatever offset you want, due to the fact that they're centre bolt. This is just a FDM print, not a resin print, but resin print is a lot smoother, and that's what the customer wanted, so that's what they got. The other one is the RS Turbo or RS 1600 wheels. Now these come in 2 different flavours. So you've got the custom hub setup, same as what I've done with my Peugeot 306 wheels, or you've got a standard centre bolt fixing. The centre bolt fixing can be done for any offset, whereas the 4 bolt needs to be a minimum of 2mm, due to the fact that we need to clearance the back for the thread and the nut on the hub. Any shallower than that, then the thread will just come through the centre cap, it won't work, which is why for 0 to 2mm we'll go with these. 2mm and above, you can have the custom hub and 4 bolt setup. So again, I'll put my email up somewhere here, so if you're interested in any wheels, give me an email, see what I can do. So if you want to see the result for this and be kept up to date and see how much faster we can make it, Go and watch a video on the result. Don't forget to subscribe on that. Forget to subscribe so you can see how the custom TTO2B project turns out. And on that note, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.